In this video, I will show you how to export and import bookmarks in Google Chrome. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Then, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner, hover over Bookmarks and Lists, and select Bookmark Manager. Once the Bookmark Manager opens, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the page. To export your bookmarks, select Export Bookmarks. Choose where you want to save the HTML file, then click Save. Now, if you want to import bookmarks into Chrome, open the Bookmark Manager again, click the three-dot menu, and select Import Bookmarks. Browse to the HTML bookmark file you want to import, select it, and click Open. Chrome will automatically import all the bookmarks from that file, and they'll appear in your Bookmarks bar or in a new imported folder. That's it! That's how you can export and import bookmarks in Google Chrome. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.